Get ready for a spooky and sweet treat with this Halloween candy bark. Today we'll make a colorful and festive candy bark that's perfect for Halloween parties or just a fun snack. I'm Wendy, and this is the Baker's Loft.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in a Halloween dessert collaboration hosted by Christie's Farmhouse, and I'm Merrily Melissa. There are a bunch of other fabulous channels doing this as well, and I'm going to have a playlist in my description below so that you can get a lot of dessert ideas for Halloween. Today I'm going to be using a combination of bittersweet chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate for a total of 3 cups. I've gone ahead and microwaved our chocolate combination in 30-second increments, and it's all nice and melted. Now we're going to pour that onto a baking pan lined with parchment. With your spatula, you just want to move this around on your baking pan into a nice even layer. And remember, if it's not perfect, that is okay. I'm using 2 of my favorite candies, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups and Kit Kats. And with the peanut butter cups, I want to cut them into 4ths. I don't want to place a whole peanut butter cup on there. With our Kit Kats, I just want to break them apart. I'm going to put them on like they are. These are the fun size for Halloween. Once you have your chocolate all spread out, this is where the fun begins. This would be a really great activity to do as a family, especially if you have children. And I'm just going to put the larger pieces on. I'm starting with the Reese's Peanut Butter Cups and just randomly just put them on. And now for the Kit Kats. These are larger, so I'm just going to probably put them around the ends like this. Forgot to mention that the other favorite I have are M&ms. And we're just going to sprinkle these all over like this. For an added touch, we're going to add some candy corn to make it nice and festive for Halloween. Once you have all of your favorite candies on your candy bark, it's time to let it set. And we're going to do that in the refrigerator for about an hour, or you could probably even do it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Once your chocolate bark is set, it's time to start slicing. I have to warn you though, you may have to stare at it for a while to figure out where to begin. Once you've figured out how to slice up your candy bark, it's time to arrange it nicely on a plate of your choice. Once it's all arranged on a plate, I can tell you it's not going to last long if you leave it out. Thanks for watching, everyone. I sure hope you give this candy bark a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.